Hi everyone. I'm going to attempt this name right here. I hope I do not get it wrong. Let's go. Lachey. I doubt it's that last one. But this fine person right here asks that this problem be solved. We have an algebraic equation. We are to write an algebraic equation for the following problem and then solve it. Sunrise Dormitory. Just notice that should be capitalized. No big deal. That's our math issue. Just purchased a new sofa on sale for $325. The sale price was, and this is the sale price here, was 65% of the original price. What was the original price? Let's go over to this board, and here's our equation. $325 equals 65% of the original price. We're going to let X equal the original price. So we're solving for this variable right there. Now, how do we do that? Well, first, what does 65% mean? Well, it means 0.65, and I just wrote that. But what does that mean? Let's go ahead and rewrite this equation. 325 equals 65 over 100. That's my daughter in the background. My beautiful daughter. I'll be with you in a moment, baby. 65 hundredths x. So what we can do, not only what we can do, what we should do, and what we will do, is remove this constant from the term x. We want to isolate this x. To do that, we're going to multiply both sides times its inverse. So we got 325 times 100 over 65. Equals 65 over 100 x times 100 over 65. The sole purpose of which is to cancel out this constant so that we isolate x here. As you can see, our denominator is the same. Our denominator here is the same as our numerator here is the same as our denominator here, and our numerator here is the same as our denominator here. They cancel out. That was the whole reason of doing that. Now we're left with x. So we've got this over here. We've got 325 times 100 divided by 65. It turns out that we can divide that denominator, 65, into this product, 325 times 100, which is 325 with two zeros behind it. Now let's go ahead and do our long division. You can do this with a calculator, but it turns out this is these are numbers that work really well. There's no fraction, there's no decimal point. 65 goes into 325. Well, let's think of it as about 60 goes into about 300. That would be 5. Let's see if 5 works. We multiply this times 5. We got a 25 here. Carry the 2. We have a 30 here. Plus 2 is 32. Which, yes, that's perfect. That works. So we go over here, 325. There's no remainder. So 325, 32,500. That is 32,500 with two zeros behind it, divided by 65 equals 5. So we've got 5 equals x. Or more simply, and more easily read, x equals 5. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.